Hi, welcome back to Miss Chu English. Today this video we will focus on talking about adjectives. Today adjective is very much related to ing, ed, d, third column. What does that mean? So when we use verb plus ing, or when we use verb plus ded, or we call it third column, they are used as adjectives. There's nothing to do with tenses, and then they are not nouns. For example, look at this sentence. As the play was not excited, the boring audience left early. In this sentence, there are two mistakes. The first mistake is excited. The second mistake is boring. For these two words, they are adjectives, but they are used wrongly in this sentence. Do you know what's the mistake? How do you correct it? Correct sentence should be, as the play was not exciting, the bored audience left earlier. What's the difference between exciting and excited? Exciting, in the grammar terms, we call it present participle. Excited, we call it past participle. So for present participle, past participle, their function are to serve as adjectives. So now we need to differentiate what's the difference between exciting and excited. Boring, bored. When you are describing one's feelings, you use past participle. For example, I am excited about the exciting movie. So can you see the difference? When you are talking about your feeling, you are describing your own feeling, you use the one with the ed, past participle. And if you are describing something, for example, you are describing the movie, how is the movie? The exciting movie. The movie is exciting. For bored, boring, it's also the same. I feel very bored to watch the boring movie. So ed, we use it to describe one's feeling. For ing, we use to describe something, someone, some situation, to basically describe a noun. Another example. My worried mother couldn't sleep well because of the worrying matter. So my worried mother, this worried is the feelings of my mom. So I can use it to describe my worried mother. She couldn't sleep well because of the worrying matter. So the matter, we don't know what is that, but definitely is something that makes her worried, the worrying matter. So basically, just have to remember one very simple rule. There are differences. There's another use. When you use present participle verb with ing, you can describe when the noun is doing something. What does that mean? For example, there is a sleeping baby in the room. So sleeping, as you can see in the sentence, sleeping is served as an adjective to describe the baby. And then, so you can easily know that the baby is sleeping. Then you describe this baby, the sleeping baby. The noun is doing something. The baby is doing something. The baby is sleeping. Another example. The flying bird is very colorful. So the flying bird, you know, you use flying to describe bird because the bird is flying right in front of you. So you say the flying bird is very colorful. Whereas for past participle, you can use it to describe when something happened to the noun. What does that mean? For example, I saw a broken vase. So you can see that broken is used as an adjective to describe the vase. So something happened to this vase means someone broke it. So the broken vase. I saw a broken vase on the ground. Another example. We should not eat too much frozen food. Frozen is another adjective, and this is past participle. So food cannot freeze it itself. Someone froze the food. So we use the frozen food. We should not eat too much frozen food. I hope by now you'll be able to differentiate how to use present participle and past participle correctly. And bear in mind, they are used as adjectives. There's nothing to do with tenses, there's nothing to do with noun, but you use them as adjective to describe nouns. And if you have any questions, any suggestion, or you're welcome to make some sentences with these adjectives. For example, make sentence with boring, bored, interesting, interested, worried, worrying. I'm looking forward to your comment. That's all for this video. Thank you. See you. Bye.